Hi guys, welcome back to another video and a very special video as you've already seen after a long time. Last mini GT shipment which we received was in January और भर के releases आए थे उस time पे. The cars which were sent back then have released up till like 1 or 2 weeks ago. वो जो BBR थी या फिर जो ग्रीन वाली R33 थी बिल्कुल हाल में रिलीज हुई हैं. So yes, it was great to be able to show you those. In fact उसमें से एक लांसिया बची है, वो शायद अभी मैं आपको बाद में इसके बाद दिखा दूंगा. However, we are back here with a new shipment, a very special shipment. This contains a couple of the cars which have already released और कुछ गाड़ियां ऐसी हैं जो फ्यूचर में आने वाली हैं in the near future. Apart from this guys, a lot of things coming up. Sorry, work has been very hectic. In fact, I will have a lot of plans in the next couple of weeks. So you quickly let me know in the comments कि कौन सी आप गाड़ियां देखना चाहते हो. I will try to show you as soon as I can so that it helps you make your decision. जो मेरे videos का एक हमेशा से purpose रहा है कि show you the car in such great detail कि it helps you make a decision if you want to purchase. So this is the standard box. I have made a short unboxing video which I will be sharing on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. You can check it out. इसके अंदर से क्या क्या निकला है total we have received 6 cars. कौन सी गाड़ियां आई हैं that is actually going to be super exciting. So I'll start off with the couple which have already released. India mein I think I've seen it at a couple of places. The first is definitely this, which is the Porsche 911 GT3 R number 27. This is the 2023 FIA GT World Cup 70th Macau Grand Prix Hub Auto Racing model. I really love its beautiful color scheme. Purple cars, I've got very few purple cars in my collection, so this is a welcome addition. Second one which I have seen recently is this. This is the Nissan Skyline R34 V-Spec Active Red color. So in the last 3 months, I have received 3 different Skyline R34s. The first was blue, second was lightning yellow, which I showed it to you guys, and now this is active red. This is literally a dream come true for all the R34 enthusiasts. In such quick succession, you are getting such amazing colors of this model. So these are 2. Then we've got the third one. Now this is exciting. These are not launched until now. Like these will be coming in the near future. This is the Lamborghini Huracan Sterato. And it's in this blue Aegir color. So I'm really not sure how to pronounce that, but I think it's Aegir. You let me know if the pronunciation is a little different. Beautiful color, light blue. I think it should be very exciting to unbox this. Then we've got this. First I'll show you the number. This is number 777, which is like a very special number. This is the McLaren 720S Liberty Works. The Liberty Walk McLaren 720S in black color. And I'm in love with the number. Like the number in itself, very nice. Last 2 cars for today. We've got this super amazing Lamborghini Huracan GT3 Evo 2. So recently I showed you another very nice one from this, and this is also IMSA 2023 Daytona 24 Hours. Green car. Lamborghinis by Mini GT are always beautiful, and especially this one, the GT3 model, should be very exciting to unbox this. And last car for today has to be this Bugatti EB110 Super Sport Blue Bugatti left hand drive. I think Mini GT had released this model earlier, but I think this has different wheels or something. What exactly is the difference? I'll check and I'll let you know. And this will be the first Bugatti 110 in my personal collection by Mini GT. I've got a lot of their other models. I've got the Devo and the Chiron, the Vision GT, the Cento DC. But this, the EB110, it'll be the first. So I'm very excited to give you my first impressions. And do you have this model? What are your thoughts about this model? Let me also know in the comments. So this is it, guys. What happens is that initially when January started, and that time there were a crazy amount of releases, everyone was going mad. Slowly it has tapered down, and the 6 models in here all are the standard regular Mini GTs, no Kaido or any special BBR or James Bond or anything in this shipment. Among these, which one is your favorite? Please let me know in the comments. And quickly, as soon as you watch this video, I want you to tell your top 2 models from this so that I can make a video on that. I can show it to you as soon as possible, and I'll try to show you the models, all of them, as soon as possible. But of course, I told you my schedule is going to be a little bit busy, might be a little bit of a delay, might not be. At the end of the day, it's all about my passion, how much I want to show these models to you guys, and that's why I always try to make out the time, because I think you already know everyone's schedule is packed these days. And thank you everyone for taking out the time to watch and to engage. So once again, let me know which among these is your favorite, and which one did you like the most, which one are you excited to see on my page, and which one are you excited to add in your collection. Thank you.